So, ano tayo? No, lemon, no reaction. Challenge! Okay. Ready na ako guys, no? Lemon challenge. And no reaction. Wala daw tayong reaction. Kita nyo naman, oh. Sugat kasi ako dito guys. Ay, hindi. Hindi guys, hindi ko to sugat. Paubos na kasi yung ano ko, kaya late na ako na kumain guys. So, ito na lang natira. Buti malaki pa. Ito. No re. No reaction. Look at this. No reaction. So, 25 ako nag-start mag-vlog guys. So, guys, bakit naman kayo hindi nagsusubscribe sa akin? 3.6k na yung views ko. Pero, ano akala nyo guys? Ano ako? Mahirap? Ano? Nakikita nyo ba yan? Huwag naman kayo mag ano dito sa akin. Mag-subscribe kayo pag nanonood kayo. Kasi, ang dami kong mga views, pero hindi lang subscribers ko. Oh. Kaya, wala akong magagawa. Alam nyo kasi guys, kung bakit medyo di na ako nag-vlog. Kasi may pasok na nga guys. So, mag-ano tayo. Ito guys. Ay! Again.
Hey sis, what happens if I end up beating you?
Then I'll buy your family a new house and give you $5 million.
And if this moron loses, he'll be washing my dirty socks for a whole month. And by the way, why do I have such a crappy car?
Shut up, it's worth $1 million.
Now let's see who can make it through SpongeBob's dangerous road.
Easy. I absolutely love this cartoon, like if you do too.
Stop talking so much, Andre. I think
Parang ko nakatali
Oh
yung
my
ano
god,
guys.
Mr. Beast, what kind of junk did you give me again?
Are you crazy? That's a gold car. Come on, hit the gas, you idiot.
I did that easy. You just got lucky, dummy. Only the most skilled players will be able to
So
jump
guys,
over the
parang may
giant
nakikita
sharks.
kayong
Then you
iba sa salamin ko. So, nagbago na po yan. Mga ate ko
That's
yan.
not true. Leave a
Kaya
like in the
mga
comments if
bata.
you're a boy.
Kasi
And if
po,
you wanna get 20,000
eto
Robux,
po
click the button under the
ay
arrow.
pinalitan na ng kulay blue. So, nakaraan lang ngayon pinalitan guys. Holiday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday po ito pinalitan guys. Ano parang hindi mga Tuesday? nakikita niyo naman sa salamin ko na parang ako yan at yung tablet ko po yan. Yes po, mga ate at kuya. Naka-tablet po talaga ako. Kaya hindi ko na po hinahawakan. Gets po? Guys, eyes. Ito, totoong lemon. Kaya natin sa play. Malagyan. Dapat po talaga kasi po pag matagal nyo na po sinisip-sip yung lemon ng iba kahit ubus-ubus na po. Yung iba po, aasim na po ng aasim pag tumatagal. So ito, maasim na po. Guys.
Minecraft, but if I take damage, the border expands. Alright, let me get out of here. Yeah, there's no way through. Looks like I'm stuck here forever. Wait, there's a forest nearby. My goal will be to get wood, but how do I take damage here? Oh, I know. I'll gather some sand, climb on top, and jump off. It worked. Now all I have to do is
So mukbang naman ako
jumping
doon.
off without stopping. Hopefully
Tapos
nothing
sabay
will
doon
interrupt
po.
me.
Sabi sa dito na lang mo.
Because I'm down to half a heart. But the border grew and now it's near the water.
Parang pupunta na si mama
No, I
dito.
can't.
Parang
Oh, look at
bilis
these
ko.
little fish. I could catch some
Kasi po guys, yung mama ko, nasa Japan na yun. Alam niya kung bakit nasa Japan? Kasi, pumunta siya ng SM noon ng Japan. Ewan ko nga guys kung gusto niya daw kasi may snow. Eh, wala naman snow ngayon. Ano na guys?
Now I just need to wait. Where's the bedrock? What bad luck. Guess I'll have to try again. Minecraft, but if I... Let's build a portal to heaven. If I just place water, nothing will happen. But I know a
So
secret.
guys,
I'll place item frames inside the
pupunta,
and then put water buckets into them.
kanina pa umalis si mama, pupunta siya ng airport. Kanina pa siya, kanina pa.
Now we need to put a water bucket in the chest and set off the TNT. Take the bucket and head to the portal. Let's build a portal.
Sarap naman pala guys. Pag nilagay kaya natin. Kasi masyadong maasim guys, kaya mag-iba. Parang kinakabahan ako guys!
Sammy is selling it right over there. Try not to die. Let's go. Sammy, please give me one. Unfortunately, they're all gone. Oh damn, I'm about to pass out. I'm exhausted. I'll like if I should help. Please be a good number. Let's see what your final Robux balance is gonna be. What? I got the infinity.
Pero guys, kung may gatos kayo,
I'll just let him figure it out on his own.
kung may gatos din kayo guys,
Respect. I've got infinite cash.
gawin nyo yung tama.
Infinity, that's just a sideways 8.
Ang tama
Check out this insane
ay,
mansion I just bought.
Dude, you better return that before it's
na
too
kayo
late.
na. Uy, nakablog ako guys.
Huh? What are you even talking about, dude?
Here, take my Frogano
So,
Piranha.
grade 3 na po
Honestly, I
ako.
feel kind of bad for you right now. You only have 8 Robux. I
Tapos
don't
siya
want to see
naman,
you struggling
grade 2
again.
si
That's not an
Nobita.
8. That's the infinity sign.
Bacon, I don't want to be annoying, but if you keep not paying your bills, you'll get kicked from the server.
Wait a sec. Nobody's paying me anywhere. I'm rich now. I can pay for
So,
everything.
may
And you
gatos
can buy
kayo
us your
na
own server.
natimpla na. O kaya di pa
What the
timpla.
heck? Don't lie to
Powder
me.
pa lang.
Why didn't you tell me the truth?
Tapos pag nilagyan nyo ng lemon,
Without money, I'm gonna get kicked
bawal
out.
po yun kasi magtatai kayo. Guys, parang ito yung makashield. Oh. Tignan nyo ba guys? Kahit gantuin ko pa. Diba, ayan. Patulan kaya natin. Tigas guys. Ayan. Crunchy.